Hello, I'm your host, Paul E. Como Jr., looking at what made me grateful, helped me face what I needed to accomplish. There were things I needed to say no to, and it is not what you think. I was giving all my precious hours away, leaving little time for myself. Then I discovered the profit cycle, and what could that mean for me in my future and the future of any business endeavor that I might encounter or decide to do. I thought, how could I begin? How can I afford to do this? My programming skills were maintenance level at best. I can't afford to hire a webmaster or scriptwriter, though I have some understanding of these things, having worked as support staff in that industry. But I'm not an expert, so where would I go? Then I discovered ClickFunnels. That is the platform we use to run this challenge in most of the other businesses that we work with here. I saw people with 8-figure incomes using ClickFunnels and wondered, why was I not even seeing the basic results? Then it hit me like a ton of bricks. I was allowing negativity to hold me back. I needed help, and that help gave me some answers. It is those answers, with the help of my mentor, I will share with you during this 14-day challenge. I needed a mentor to show me where the traps were. And with his help, I will present to you what I discovered. During the 14 days, you will be given a task of watching a short video each day. Then you will be challenged and asked to share your state of mind and what you discovered within our Facebook group. You will learn why it is important to balance time between business and family and the things you love with the people who mean the most to you. We'll be leading you toward focusing on what you need to be a successful entrepreneurial thinker and business owner, sending you on a step-by-step process which will give you a foundation for your business that will work for you starting, doing, or scaling of your business, which could present you with multiple streams of income. So look forward toward tomorrow while taking one step at a time toward your future and the future of your business. And I will see you in the members area.